Today in this video I will show you what topic we will cover for exam MD-102, that is known as Endpoint Administrator. Exam MD-102 is released on September 2023. That is the replacement of MD-100 and 101. New topic that is covered in MD-102 is related to Microsoft Intune, but some of the topics that has been taken from previous exam MD-100 and MD-101. The topic that are covered for this exam are deploy window client, manage identity and compliance, manage, maintain and protect devices, and manage applications. Now we will explore this topic to prepare for our exam and to perform a lab. Now we will move to the next slide. Prepare for a window client deployment. Select a deployment tool based on requirement. Choose between migrate and rebuild. Choose an imaging and or provisioning strategy. Select Windows Edition based on requirements. Implement subscription based activation. Deploy Windows 365. Plan and implement a Windows client deployment by using Windows Autopilot. Configure device registration for Autopilot. Create, validate, and assign deployment profile. Set up the enrollment status page. Deploy Windows device by using Autopilot. Troubleshoot an Autopilot deployment. Plan and implement a Windows client deployment by using the Microsoft Deployment Toolkit. Plan and implement MDT deployment infrastructure. Create, manage, and deploy images. Monitor and troubleshoot a deployment plan and configure user state migration. Configure remote management. Configure remote help in Intune. Configure remote desktop on a window client. Configure the Windows Admin Center. Configure PowerShell remoting and Windows remote management WinRM. Manage identity. Implement user authentication on Windows devices, including Windows Hello or Business, passwordless, and tokens. Manage a role-based access control for Intune. Register devices in and join devices to Microsoft Entra. Implement the Intune connector for Active Directory. Manage the membership for of local groups on Windows devices. Implement and manage a local administrative password solution labs for Microsoft Entra. Implement compliance policy for all supported devices platform by using Intune. Specify compliance policy to meet the requirements. Implement compliance policy. Implement conditional access policy that required a compliance status. Manage a notification for compliance policy. Monitor device compliance. Troubleshoot compliance policies. Manage the device lifecycle in Intune. Configure enrollment setting. Configure automatic and bulk enrollment, including Windows, iOS, and Android. Configure policy sets. Restart, retire, or wipe devices. Manage device configuration for all supported device platform by using Intune. Specify configuration profile to meet the requirement. Implement configuration profile. Monitor and troubleshoot configuration profile. Configure and implement Windows QSIC mode. Configure and implement profile on Android device, including fully managed and dedicated corporate owned and work profile. Plan and implement Windows tunnel for Intune. Monitor devices. Monitor device by using Intune. Monitor device by using Azure Monitor. Analyze and respond to issues identified in Endpoint Analytics and Adaption Store. Manage device updates for all supported device platform by using Intune. Plan for device updates. Create and manage update policy by using Intune. Manage Android updates by using configuration profile. Monitor updates. Troubleshoot updates in Intune. Configure Windows client delivery optimization by using Intune. Create and manage updates by ring by using Intune. Implement endpoint protection for all supported device platform. Implement and manage security baseline in Intune. Create and manage configuration policy for endpoint security, including antivirus, encryption, firewall, endpoint detection and response EDR, and attack surface detection ASR. Onboard device to Microsoft Defender for endpoint. Implement automated response capability in Microsoft Defender for endpoint. Review and respond to device issue identified in the Microsoft Defender vulnerabilities management dashboard. Deploy and update app for all supported device platform. Deploy app by using Intune. Configure Microsoft 365 app deployment by using the Microsoft Office deployment tool or Office customization tool OCT. Manage a Microsoft 365 app by using the Microsoft App Admin Center. Deploy Microsoft 365 app by using Intune. Configure policies for Office app by using Group Policy or Intune. Deploy app from platform specified apps store or by using Intune. Plan and implement app protection and app configuration policy. Plan and implement app protection policy for iOS and Android. Manage app protection policy. Implement conditional access policy for app protection policy. Plan and implement app configuration policy for managed app and managed devices. Manage app configuration policies. Thank you for watching and subscribe.